Let's fix if your FaceTime volume is too loud on your iPhone or iPad. Now, if you're on a FaceTime call, either FaceTime audio or FaceTime video, where you're chatting with somebody on a video call, the best way to adjust the volume is either to use the volume up or volume down button on the side of your phone. You can see here, I can turn that up or down. But sometimes that doesn't work exceptionally well. The other option you have is just to swipe down from the top right, and you can see right next to the brightness there is a volume level where you can adjust it up and down. And I can tap and hold on that if I want to fine tune it and make it a little bit bigger. So I can adjust that volume. If it's set to maximum, sometimes that's really too loud on a FaceTime call, so you want to bring that down a bit, and then that should help out things. Now, the other thing that you can do is you can hop into your settings, and then we will scroll down until we get to sounds and haptics right there. And you can adjust your ringtone and alert volume here. And if you have headphones on, you can tap the headphones and make sure you toggle on that reduce loud sounds, because this will prevent any kind of really loud pops or loud sounds coming through your headphones if you're on a FaceTime call. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.